talking about.
Anyway, we got.
But yeah, we're running errands today.
Yeah, we gotta.
Oh yeah, I gotta go pick up my nephew. Your hat. Gotta go pick up my nephew first. I'm gonna go pick his car note. Y'all look at my lashes though. Like thanks to my sister-in-law. Got your girl like right. But who is hot in this car? In my hand. Yeah. Oh, it's so hot today out here. Y'all live in Cali. Cali. There we go. Y'all live in Cali, y'all know what I'm talking about. Go ahead. Put that air on blast mode. So, yeah, so we're just running errands, y'all. It's gonna be a basic vlog. I hope everybody put on enough deodorant today because it's hot.
Oh. Wait, how you do this? Turn this on?
No. Stick like that, it's on.
Oh.
Turn like that for a match.
We need some air.
Yeah. But
Child.
yeah.
That's your phone?
Huh?
We need my phone.
No, we're gonna play my phone because last time you disconnected my phone.
You told me to.
Turn on your phone. Just play Armageddon.
No.
Everybody wants someone like Armageddon.
Where is she? Like, how you get all this gas?
Look at my tank. Baby girl has her priorities right. Yeah, I'm watching my natural hair today. We will be back installed soon.
Everybody wants someone like Armageddon.
But y'all, I'm so happy. I just took some flicks for y'all.
For the green.
I took some flicks for the gram. He took some flicks for the gram.
We just grammed up.
We green.
We just grammed up.
So we can go to Xavier school.
See, that's why you're supposed to drive. You want me to drive everywhere.
I gotta put up these flicks for y'all.
Where is that at anyway?
Oh, like you're going to my dad's house. But y'all, I'm a huge fan of Quasi-Mar. So we finna show them some love real
That's
quick.
copyright, I think. Are they signed to somebody? What is it at the bottom?
Don't know, but it don't matter because it's only 30 seconds, boo. You got that crazy you keep me in my feelings, keep on in my feelings, talking big news, you forever your queen, you forever my king. This is real love, every single loss, ain't no one ever come between us. You just left, but you already miss him. And when he's not around, my soul is still with you. Love is always there. Hey, that's what's really we love Quiz Mob. They little baby is so cute.
We gonna make our own song.
Yeah, I told him he could sing, y'all, but he don't want to sing. Like,
No, honestly, she's the one that sings. I can rap.
but sing right now. You got that crazy love. See, I told you. I can harmonize with baby
Babe,
boy.
I don't even think we harmonize. To be honest.
But we'll see y'all when we get to my nephew and pick him up from school with not. So yeah, bye. So guys, we're back. We got my nephew.
Got the munchkin.
And we're at Jack in the Box right now. We ordered our food already. So we're just waiting for it. It's cold in here. It's bad lightning here too.
Yeah, a little bit. I like the quality though. My black is always sloping down, so y'all don't make fun of me. But he couldn't wait to be on the vlog. Like now he wanna act shy. Talking about he want to vlog. This camera kind of heavy.
I know, that's why. I got it. I got to turn this way or something. Oh, right here. There we go. But yeah, so we're just waiting for our food. I got a chicken sandwich. He got a burger, and the little one got.
I got Jumbo G.
Tell him what you got, Zay.
Make sure to go subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Nah, we ain't plugging you, homie.
I said, what did you eat?
Oh, I got chicken nuggets and a
I was
strawberry.
trying to plug. Shamelessly plug.
He called himself having a YouTube channel, y'all. I guess go follow him.
He said.
Huh?
Oh yeah, he did. I'm in love with the city. Cause look at my head.
But yeah, so we're gonna turn this into a little mukbang.
Looking at us.
That's fine. We're gonna turn this into like a little mukbang. So we'll see you guys when we get back in the car.
I think that's the main thing.
What?
Like about vlogging.
Oh yeah, people gonna stare at you.
I don't care.
Alright, y'all, we back with it.
Jack in the Crack mukbang time.
Jack and
Featuring what's your name on YouTube?
Zayden Moore.
Zayden Moore is
Yeah,
a nice
change
name.
That's boring. That's boring.
So I got fries.
I got a Jumbo Jack deluxe
They automatically put ketchup on it.
with some
I got
there might be
chicken.
some magic sauce.
I got chicken nuggets.
We got chicken nugget.
Chicken nugget.
Boy. So,
Hey, said why we in the Queen Bay?
how was school?
Good.
Okay. Nah, we're gonna get to the
You don't want no
question.
barbecue sauce?
We're gonna get straight to the questions.
What questions?
We're gonna ask him some questions. You better be ready. You ready?
Yeah.
Got me trying to harass him now.
No, we're gonna ask him some questions. So, at school, there's boys and girls there, right?
Yeah.
And there's,
You need ketchup? Oh,
and
that's
on
fine.
your side, right? Well, I hope that, you know, you
This
like
camera
girls,
getting on my nerves.
right?
Yeah.
Okay, so
You hold me. He don't have no choice but to like girls.
is there a girl that you like
No.
at all? There's hundreds of girls there that's your age.
No.
Ain't nobody you like.
No.
Have you kissed a girl?
No. No.
At least you not lying.
I heard a stutter in there. Nah, it's fine.
You ain't kissing no girl?
No.
You
I'm
slapped
not
their
allowed
butt?
to. No.
Yeah, I was slapping booty.
He know better.
Yeah, I was slapping booty in elementary. Straight up. We had this game. We'll go out to recess. It's called the butt slapping game. And then there was this one girl. If she watches, or I don't know, she might not. I have her on Instagram. But it's an elementary school friend. Her name is Amanda, and she would team up with the girls, and they would chase after us, grab us, and they'll let her kiss us on the cheek. Y'all play games like that?
No.
Oh, man, what y'all be doing?
Nowadays, girls call sexual harassment.
Sexual harassment.
Yeah. If they touch us, if anyone touches us, it's called sexual harassment.
I know what sexual harassment is, but me, you know, we was cool with all the girls, me and Daryl.
Let me have one of your napkins.
What about what's his name?
Why you always need a napkin?
The same reason why you always need a napkin.
I don't. You gonna die with that one.
It was just you and Daryl. What about the other one? I forgot his name.
Sue me?
Yeah. Oh,
Suleiman was always younger than us.
Oh.
But, nah, actually, we graduated at the same time.
Don't worry, little bean head.
What questions you got for him? You go to 6th grade next year?
Yeah.
You know in middle school they have middle school dances?
Yeah.
You wanna ask somebody to the
No.
dance? You like girls, bro?
Yeah.
What's up?
Just cause he don't want to take nobody to this, do not mean he don't like girls.
You gotta take a date.
No, I don't.
He don't have
When I
no.
was in the 6th
Cause
grade.
guess what? Everybody made mistakes by taking a date. You go by
I
yourself.
was in the 6th grade.
No.
I was
Go by
dancing with an 8th
yourself.
grade girl.
No, I'm
Your
not.
height. I was your height.
No.
If you take a date, it ruins your mood.
Not back then.
Well, I
In
Talking
middle-
about now.
In middle school.
I never went to. I went to one school dance, and I didn't even dance. I was just sitting down because I don't even care.
And the 4th grade Valentine's dance I went to, I was on my phone. Me and my friends were on Musical.ly all the time.
What?
Me and my friends were on Musical.ly.
Kids don't care about dancing nowadays.
I only went to hang out with my friends.
You got black and white friends?
Yeah,
That's good. Don't be racist.
I'm not.
No. As more girls teach our children right. I ain't got kids yet, but my sisters do a very good job with their kids.
I do a good job with my kids.
You ain't got no kids.
I definitely ain't got no kids.
You my kids.
Nephew.
We gotta feed the family. Pick him up. He didn't even eat no lunch.
I didn't eat breakfast.
Talk about we got him. Didn't even eat breakfast. Won't your mom tell you breakfast is the most important meal of the day?
Yeah, but
Okay, you need to listen to that. That's probably why you short. You don't eat breakfast.
First of all, don't come for his height.
I don't really eat that much now.
Oh!
What?
Give me a napkin.
Oh,
Dang.
Give me a napkin.
This always happened to me.
it's just ketchup.
It wasn't even ketchup.
It was like grease from the burger.
Oh.
Thank God it wasn't ketchup. You got a stain on your shirt.
Dang. I'm
Mm-mm.
gonna say no lettuce next time.
I love lettuce. Our camera's hella dark.
And now we
It's
dark.
because the sun keeps shifting. I am dark.
Like, cause they be like, ooh, you wanna roll with me?
I knew he was gonna say. I knew.
You on camera? What you got to say?
How come you guys don't come around anymore?
How come we don't come around?
Yeah.
Well, like where? To your house?
Yeah, like you guys always used to.
Your mom don't invite us. You better tell her to invite us. We'll come.
Mm-hmm.
Even when she did invite you guys still came.
What?
We came over because we had to watch y'all.
Yeah.
Well, how come y'all don't watch us no more?
You grown. Feel me? But if your mom, tell your mom to invite us over and we'll come.
Mm-hmm.
Aren't you coming with us to the Easter egg thing, Auntie Rissa?
Gotta work, homie.
That'll work.
Well, you guys are gonna see us next Saturday
Yep.
Yeah.
at the bonfire. Are you guys vlogging that too?
Yeah.
Yep. Mm.
They probably like, dang, she not talking at all.
Yeah.
I'm starving. That food is fire.
Woo!
But this sun, though. This sun hit my arm.
It's gonna make you black.
We're already black.
Dark.
Well, we're brown. Most people I know.
Everybody brown.
No.
There's different shades of brown. No one's white.
Actually, we were white, but there's a giant
Oh my
earthquake.
God! Here, let
I
me-
learned this in class, and it's
No. Please don't. Who told you that?
I
Wait,
learned this today.
wait. Hold on. I might go up to that school and cut somebody out. They taught you what?
So, they didn't say that we were white, but they did say that there was a giant earthquake and it splitted the countries in half. That's why our countries aren't all together like that no more. They're in half. That's why we
You
have.
talking about Pangea,
What?
right?
Yeah.
When
How-
everything was one, it was called Pangea.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I thought he was gonna say time.
That's how it was created.
Yeah, I was gonna say, hold up. Nah, G, nah. Dang, the doctor's house was not open.
Wait,
So-
but Jesus was white. How was-
Nobody knows what Jesus
Nobody
color
knows
is.
the color of Jesus until you see him.
Yeah, it's a mystery. So
I
if people
don't-
tell you Jesus is
I got
white,
90 more years.
if they tell you Jesus is white, then that's what they believe that he is. But nobody knows.
Because most of the movies, he's white.
Yeah,
That's just how they
There's
depicted him.
yeah,
I don't know why,
that's society.
but yeah. You don't have to believe Jesus is white. But I know what's about to happen.
I'm gonna turn this air on.
Oh yeah, I would turn this. I would have ran your battery out.
Roll the back windows up.
You would have been stuck.
Man.